Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working in my Hobonichi, the A5 size cousin for 2022, and I'm going to be planning in my week section for May 23rd to May 29th. So grab your planner and plan with me. Hang out. Today I thought it'd be fun. We're going to try, because I haven't used them, the Happy Planner farmhouse stickers. Just love these. Got them on clearance, even better. But I just think they are absolutely beautiful. Kind of muted, subtle, and I thought it'd be fun to see what we could do with these. So that's what we're going to try. So I'm going to start off with putting these across the bottom here, and I'm kind of torn. I love the purple-ish colors and pinks, but I kind of wonder if I want to do a more neutral, because then I could do other color in it. And I think we're going to go neutral. So there, I decided right here, right now. So I generally don't schedule anything for this late in the day. So I like to use this section to keep track of things. And whether it's some health stuff or whether it's business stuff depends on the planner. But it just works for me this way. I don't need to schedule things till 4 in the morning. I don't know. I think it's cool that this planner has that, like, much space, but obviously for me, I don't need it. So this is what I like to do. Okay, so I went with the more muted, and I'm almost regretting it a little bit, but just because it looks so blah right this second. But I think we can find some colors in here that will help change it up. So now I'm going to look for a sticker for my bottom left-hand corner that just kind of, generally it's a cute quote or something fun. I don't want to, I would do that one, but I don't want it to be muted. So we're just going to look really quick at what these think dream plan. I kind of like that. Maybe we'll do that. I think I can get away with it. And then we can add some more greens in. And maybe some grays, since the lines are kind of brown. And I totally did it crooked. Okay, if I could get an award, I think it would be the Queen for crookedness of stickers, because I feel like I'm just good at that. You know, I'm just good at it. So let's try to use the lines here and line it up a little bit better. It's still a little crooked, but I'm gonna leave it because once I pull it up once and not twice. It's generally my rule because the paper is thin. It is that Tamari River paper. So okay, so we got that. Now let's see if we can find something for up here. And I saw them just a minute ago, so I'm sure we can. Just gotta go back to them. I just love these. Okay, yeah. So we'll do to do, and we'll do it right up here. Sometimes I use this for a goals section. Sometimes I just kind of use it for a weekly, like, hey, I need to do this, don't forget, or I really want to do this, or something like that. But I generally always put it to do there. I don't know. It just works for me. Okay. And then let's add in some more color if we can. So many cute, just like, yeah. Maybe we'll go with one of these because that'll hopefully tie in a little bit more of the green from over there. I don't know. That was a big sticker. I just went for it. Did you see that? And then I'll do another one. Oh, and I just ripped that sticker. Okay, we are having a day. Oh, do this one. Maybe I can use it for something else. Okay. Now I love to find something for up here a little bit. But I don't know if there's going to be anything in this book. Don't need dinner time. This is my business planner, so don't need that one. I do kind of like some of these today's focuses. don't normally put those on my planners, but it might work. Here's my puppy. She's saying hi. Hi, baby. She's like, hey, Mom, it's lunchtime. You should feed me. All right. Well, maybe we'll just add some of these hearts and then call it a day. Because the puppy wants lunch, and I don't blame her. And I put some green down there, and I'll put these hearts up here. And one thing I wish I would have just done more all over the place. I don't like it when I start lining everything up, you know. And then just for funsies, we'll put these. Whoops. That's a couple to try to tie in this color just a little bit more. Okay, cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. We do videos 3 times a week generally, and it's all Hobonichi love journaling. You name it, plan with me. So I love doing them, and I'm so thankful you're here. So have a great day, and we will see you again soon.